create. I'm going to prepare some menudo today. And I got this beef tripe in water because they smell, when they are, so I like to clean it up. And I put about a quarter of a cup of white vinegar to help with the cleaning. Some people like to cut them first, but the smell is so strong that I wanted to clean it first before I cut them. This one has honeycombs. I don't care. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that water out. I'm going to rinse it out again real quick. Cold water. We're going to take it out again. So I'm going to cut any excess fat out. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this baby into pieces, okay? And I'm going to do the same with the whole thing. So I put it in my pot. It's about 3 pounds of tripe. This is beef, by the way, beef. And typically what people do, they add some beef feet. I decided to go a little bit different. I had some smoked pork feet. So I'm going to add them, kind of change things a little bit, but go with beef feet, cut in pieces or whatever. But I'm going to go with the pork smoked feet. I have it, might as well use it, right? Half an onion, 2 or 3 bay leaf, and I have about 3 or 4 teeth of garlic peel. Just add them there. I'm going to start at high heat, and when it starts simmering, I'm going to reduce the heat to maybe medium and let it go for about 2 hours, okay? So I have some California chili or peppers, edible peppers, and these are dry guajillo chile or pepper. All of them are dry. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up, meaning I'm going to cut this stem and take the seeds out, okay? It's very easy. So I cut the stem. Get the seeds out. You can actually cut them here too. To clean the seeds, okay? Some people might leave the seeds. They're brave. So, see how easy? And you do the same with the others, okay? So I put all the dry pepper in a pot. Have about a quarter of an onion, about 4 teeth of garlic, 3 or 4 cloves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some chicken stock. You can do water, but I'm going with the chicken stock. enough to cover the peppers, okay? And let it cook at a medium heat for about 30 minutes, okay? So I'm going to use the blender because I want to make them paste. Not the food processor, I want the blender, okay? About 35 minutes later, you're going to remove the onions, garlic, and the peppers and transfer to another container, okay? So I'm going to add pepper, the onion, the garlic, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin and about a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder, okay? And I have some dry oregano, which I squash. It's about maybe a teaspoon and a half, maybe two. You can add more if you want to. In fact, I have a couple of raw garlic. Going to add there too. And then the juices from the chili that was heating up. Let me add a little bit. And I'm going to blend this baby. So it's been a couple hours, almost 2 hours. So what I'm going to do, let me get some of this stuff out, like the bay leaf, the onion. Let me remove it. If I can find the garlic, I will remove it too, but I don't have to. I don't care about the garlic. Some of the onion now. This is garlic. Bay leaf. Oh, look at this baby. So now come the interesting part. First, I'm going to taste for salt. Definitely need some. Going kosher. Put a little bit more. Give some taste, right? Then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sauce. I'm making sure that peels and stuff like that didn't escape, okay? So let me make sure I don't have any peels and solids. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that, and I'm going to add some of the sauce. I don't see any, so I'm going to feel a little bit more liberal with this, okay? And I'm going to mix it up. This is going to be hot. Going to mix things up, okay? Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Yeah. I had to make sure I didn't have any solids. You already didn't. And we cannot forget the hominy, which is a Mexican style corn. Let me add this baby here. I got this from a can, which means I washed them. You know, running through water first. And adding them now, okay? Going to let this baby cook. It's about maybe an hour and a half. I have to wash it though. Medium heat. About an hour and a half later, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Look at this beauty. Look at this falling out the bones, huh? Isn't that nice? See how easy? Delicious.